Alright, these are the elevators at the Carolina Hotel.
And we've ridden these already, but
yeah,
we were on our trip to Fayetteville to put some Christmas flowers on your grandparents' grave.
Yeah.
And we decided to stop in here.
Yeah, because we know Dad would always like to stop here.
Yeah.
Whenever we came through this way at Christmas time.
Yeah. Look at that green light.
I don't think they've really changed these much.
No, I don't think so. They look kind of similar.
Okay.
Okay, we're buying it too? Or
Let's see, is there another one?
Oh, there might be, yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
So we'll get the other one and then we'll rotate.
Okay, yep. That was one. Pretty lobby.
Yeah, here's this one.
Okay. There's a picture of the hotel.
And so this one only goes up to 4, the other one goes up to 5.
Oh, okay.
This one doesn't have the chime either. Here we are at 4.
Well, hey.
Going down?
You coming down? Okay.
On the lobby.
Today.
Thank you.
No problem.
You go ahead. We're going back up to 2. Thank you. And you're going to end it too, right?
Yes.
I don't know if I got a cab view last time, so let's see.
And here we are at 2.
Got a mirror and wood walls. Yeah. Alrighty.
And there it goes. And that's it. The elevator in the east wing at the Carolina Hotel Resort in Pinehurst, North Carolina.
Green and red buttons. How about that?
Yeah.
All decked out for Christmas. Except for this hall.
Yeah.
Doesn't really seem to be decked out. Oh, and this one doesn't have a mirror, so that's good.
Head down to the ground.
And these say Otis.
Yep. Here we are on the ground.
Yep.
Now I'll head up to 3. And here we are at 3. Now I'll head back down to ground.
I remember the first time, I think it was the first time we brought you here, was for that Christmas Eve elevator ride.
Yeah. Here we are at the ground. Now I'll head back up to in. Oh, that's a blue button.
Oh, wow. Huh. Appropriate.
Yeah.
Blue for Blue Christmas?
Yeah.
Because we're going to celebrate Christmas, but it's going to be kind of blue without Daddy.
Yeah.
Right? But we know where he is, and we rejoice that he's at peace.
Yeah.
And we'll get to see him again one day in heaven, right?
Yeah. And there it goes. And that's it.